So the Trump administration is trying to speed up its mass deportation by trying to invoke the Alien Enemies Act of 1798. Reports say that the Trump administration plans to invoke the Alien Enemies Act as soon as this Friday. The Alien Enemies Act would allow for the expedited deportation of anyone without a court hearing or an asylum interview. I say anyone because this law, when it has been used in the past, has been used against people who haven't broken any laws, haven't shown any indications of disloyalty, and whose status in the U.S. is legal. We saw this happen when the Alien Enemies Act was invoked during World War II, where Japanese people, citizen and non-citizens, were put into internment camps. Normally, this law is only used during wartime, and it is Congress's job to declare war. But the president does not need to wait for Congress if it's an ongoing invasion or predatory incursion. And how can you use that logic when border crossings are at their lowest points in 25 years? Trump wants to use this law to take away anyone's due process and be able to deport them quickly. We've already seen the Trump administration weaponize the immigration system to get rid of anyone who even protests against the U.S. government. So there's no doubt that he will use this Enemies Act, if he's allowed to invoke it, to go after anyone that he thinks is a enemy to the U.S. citizen or not. Now, there is expected to be legal challenges making it harder for Trump to try and invoke this law. And let's hope that he's not allowed to invoke this, because this could be one of the most dangerous things he does while in office. And remember, to keep up with news stories like these, sign up for my newsletter, check out my podcast, and one of my other social media sites, link in bio.